up, Myspace? It's your boy Music G back for another Myspace shout out. I gotta shout out Sandy Lalope from Miami and my man DJ Fat Philly from Croatia.
Yo, what up, y'all? Here for another shout. This one's real special to me. Big shouts to my man Mosca, Sadi, and his wifey Jessica. Yo, what's good? I'm hungry. We going to North 2nd, or was it the North 5th, or South 3rd? Whatever. Let's go by the water and get some tater tots, yo.
Yo, what up, Myspace? It's your boy Music G here for another shout. Gotta shout out Maryland, coming straight out of Syracuse. My man DJ Illegal out of Germany. And of course, the rude boy himself, Jamalski, resident of France now. Seen? Big up yourself, man. And leave a comment. You can get shouted out just like this, y'all.
What's up, Myspace? Pop quiz. Hope you ready. What legendary hip-hop artist got on this train at this stop?
Yo, what up, Myspace? It's your boy Music G here for another Myspace shout out. I gotta shout out Gemini and Priska from France. That's my fam right there. And of course, my man Cashmere from the Bronx. Yo, God bless you and your son. Keep doing a good job, my dude. If you want to comment, leave a comment.